Hey guys, in today's video, let's learn how to create a group chat on Discord. So if you want to go ahead and chat with multiple of your friends, more than one, you could actually add up to 10 people into this specific group chat. And so if you want to learn how to make something like this, please watch this video until the end to learn how. Okay, so the first step is to go ahead and launch your Discord applications. So I'm already on my Discord application right now. And what I want you to basically do once you're already on here is over here on the Friends tab. So you do need to tap on the direct messages icon on the top left corner of the screens and tap on your Friends tab, because over here on the top right corner you should see the new group DM option. Now what this is going to do is it's going to show you of course, the new group DM. So just tap on that and you should basically see the option to add the people that you want to add on here. So you could choose more than one people, of course. You could also tap the name or the username of your friend that you want to add on your group DM. In this case, I'm just going to choose these guys for this example. Of course, you could add up to 10 people again. But basically, once you are done with adding those desired people, all we need to do next is to tap on Create Group DM, and that's where you guys could now start chatting with each other and talking to each other on your new group chat on the Discord application. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one, and take care.